Hey, what's up everybody? Dodger Garcia here with some more Android goodness. Just wanted to give a quick video here on the ROM that I'm running here. You guys saw my last video. You guys know situation with the phone, my phone situation. If you guys remember, I used to have the Evo 3D. I took it to Best Buy and they ended up giving me this because I was getting a lot of issues with the Evo 3D. So I'm rocking the Epic 4G Touch now, which is, in my opinion, an upgrade from the Evo 3D. I love it. It's thinner, lighter. It's a little bit plastic. Yeah, it's it has the plastic feeling, but that's all right. And it's a bigger screen, so you can't go wrong with that. Now, what I'm running right now is the Aokp Milestone 6, and as you can see here. You see, we can see all this. See the wallpaper is from their own wallpaper, and then we got see if you notice the weather here. The weather, you add that actually in the ROM control, and then you also could add a calendar type of deal right there. See the blue? I got something set up for that. It just we gotta pay the bill on Saturday. It's due, and then once we go into it, it's what you love about Android. Just basic good old Android from Google. AOSP, but it's Aokp Milestone 6. I got the phone, I say, last week. Same day. I actually rooted it the same day. That's what I like about Samsung. There, not HTC. So as you can see, this is not how it's gonna come when you flash your ROM, but this is how I've set it up since I put the ROM, which was, I'd say, 5 days ago. I like this ROM a lot. It's the only ROM that I've put on here, and I'm just gonna wait on a ROM that comes out with Jelly Bean. But as you guys all know, it's Ice Cream Sandwich 4.0.4, and you could swipe away. Then you have your controls up here, which you can also customize as well. It gives you all those features. Your settings, you could clear. What else? Well, it's running actually, I think it comes stock with the Nova launcher, but I like the Apex launcher because let me show you. I like the Apex launcher because where is it? Oh no, I actually have to go to Apex themes. So Apex settings, we go there, and if we go to theme setting right there, see, you have your default theme and your Jelly Bean HD theme, and the Jelly Bean HD was free in the market. I picked that up, and it gives you an icon pack, the skin, and the font of Jelly Bean. And what I noticed is that, see, like the talk. Let's see if we could get it there. Yeah, the talk looks a little bit different. That's the Jelly Bean version. The one that it came with, when it came with this ROM, it was actually squared, so you could tell on some of the apps the difference. And of course, you can always make folders, and name them whatever you want, just like I have them there. And then down here, your dock bar down here, you can actually fit more in there. See, it has like 3 spaces. Pretty cool. You also get, I'm running the beautiful widgets. You have all these options here. So we go to system setting, and this is where you have fun. See, this is the quick links. These are the ROM with the ROM added. So ROM control, We go to ROM control and you have all these options here. As you can see, you got your general UI, navigation bar, lock screen option, power menu, weather, and you know, the list goes on and on. So you just have to go through each of these and mess with them, you know. Your general UI, you get that. You could disable the boot animation, the bug mailer. You could allow the 180 rotation where you could actually flip your phone upside down, and you get to see your screen flip upside down completely. See, back down. There you go. You got your LCD density as well. There's just a lot of options. You know, you could change up this. Even you could get the Galaxy Nexus navigation bar. You know, if you like the lock screen option as well. This is where I went, so I could add the weather, battery percentage. You know, you have more options here. Plenty of options, guys. So I think this is, this is my first ROM on here. I haven't tried all the other ones, but this is the first ROM I put on here, and you know, I've been stuck on it. I like the way this ROM is. It's just basic. It's, you know, no HTC Sense type of deal, or TouchWiz, all those other, you know. I like to stick with the original, you know, what Google is, you know, making, what they brought out, you know, the original basic stuff. And right here, this is the good thing about this ROM, you have so many options. You could, you know, the toggles, the clock, the toggle, that's where I put, you know, you could either have it, you know, this way up here, or this way down there, which I have the one down there, you know. But yeah, that's Aokp Milestone 6, guys. Check it out. It's in XDA developer website, xdadevelopers.com. And, you know, just find your phone. You'll see a bunch of ROMs there. Or you could always search by and just type in Aokp Milestone 6. You should get to that page right there. So we go to About Phone, just to show you guys right there. Android version 4.0.4. There you go. Boom. There it is, Aokp. That's the name. That's the name of it. Aokp Epic 4G Touch Milestone 6. Look for that, guys. It should be good. And the way to prove it, always do that, and you get your Easter egg. Just to make sure. When you see that, that's authentic ice cream sandwich. And remember, also, when I did get my phone, I did try to update the phone to FF18, and that was, it gave me a message saying no firmware update, or your firmware, your phone is up to date, I'm sorry. Your phone is up to date. So I never updated it, so I'm straight from the EL29, and I put this ROM on there. I was afraid it was going to be something wrong because the ROM said FF18, so I thought maybe you had to be on FF18, but check it out, guys. I'm on EL29. I don't know if it'll still show because I have the ROM now, but I don't think you could see it. Yeah, there you go. The baseband version. EL29 right there. I'm running this ROM, so there you go, guys. Check it out. Aokp Milestone 6, and this has been Dodger Garcia here again, just letting you guys know that I'm back on here and we're about to get this thing rolling. We're gonna get some apps of the week on here. We got a few apps I want to review. Also, if you guys have any questions, any ROM requests or app requests you guys want me to review, let me know, and we'll get right to it, guys. All right, people. Peace.